In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly import a theme into your online store. This process will optimize your store's appearance and help you create a more engaging shopping experience for your customers. So, whether you're setting up your shop for the first time or looking to refresh your current setup, follow along to learn how to upload a theme zip file quickly and easily. First things first, let's start by navigating to the homepage of your online store. This is your hub for managing everything related to your store setup. Once you're there, you'll be able to see all the different options available to customize and manage your storefront. Now, look for the section labeled Online Store. It's typically found on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on this section will open up a menu that includes everything you need to manage your store's themes. After clicking Online Store, you'll notice an option to import a theme. This can usually be spotted by a button labeled Import Theme, accompanied by an arrow pointing downward. This arrow is there to indicate that you have additional options to unveil by clicking the button. Go ahead and click this button to move on to the next step. This action will prompt a menu where you can choose to upload a zip file. This is an important part of the process because the themes you'll be working with are packaged in zip files to make them easy to download and transfer. Click on the option that says Upload Zip File. The system will then guide you to the next part of the process, where you can select and upload your desired files. Now comes the part where you actually upload your theme. Begin by clicking the button labeled Add File. This will open a file dialog box on your computer. Navigate through your files to find the zip file of the theme you wish to upload. This is where it can be helpful to have kept your file in an easily accessible location on your computer, or have it handy in a specific folder so you can locate it quickly. Once you've found your zip file, select it. Finally, after selecting the appropriate zip file, click the Upload button to initiate the upload process. The system will then begin uploading your theme to your online store. Depending on the size of your theme file and your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. So be patient as everything loads up. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message letting you know that your theme has been successfully uploaded and is ready to be used. And there you have it. You've just learned how to import a new theme into your online store. This straightforward process can be your first step towards giving your online business a fresh, vibrant, and engaging appearance. Remember, a well-chosen theme can make all the difference in how customers experience your store. So take your time in choosing the right one and enjoy the new look of your online shop.